who is serving in the United States and leading a very successful life, started to cry. When asked that why are you crying? He replied that I have spent 72 years in this world without thinking about it a single time. That what is the purpose of my life? So, it's very important to learn that what is the purpose of our lives. Ma'am, what's your name? Her name is Fatma. If I want to see the world like Fatma sees, if I want to have the kind of perspective that Fatma has about the things around her, you know what's the minimum criteria that I have to fulfill? The minimum criteria that I need to fulfill to do that is I have to become Fatma. Only then I can think like her. Only then I can see the world like her. And this very idea gives us a very beautiful message about this world, about the humanity. And the message is this, that every person is unique. Every person is different. And due to this uniqueness, there is a very deep message in it. And that message is this, that if every person is unique and every person is different, then the purpose of life of every person has to be different. Now, I want you all to look at my eyes and for a few seconds, just think about the purpose of your life. I give you like 5 seconds. Thank you. And while talking about the purpose of life, I have identified 2 aspects that I am going to share in my speech today. Well, when we talk about purpose of life, most of the people think about it that I should have good food, I should have sound sleep, I should have children, and my children, I should take care of the protection of my children, and all my family should live a good life. It's one of the most common purposes around us. But you know what? It's the same purpose of life as the purpose of life had by animals. Because animals also have the same purpose. They want food, they want kids, they protect their kids, they want to rest at a soothing place. So, what I want to introduce you is another kind of purpose. And in order to talk about that purpose, I have a question for all of you. Do you guys have any guesses that who is the most followed personality on social media? As of nowadays?
Ronaldo.
Yeah. You said it very right. Cristiano Ronaldo. And you must be a football lover because he's a footballer. And he's having 475 million followers on Instagram. But ladies and gentlemen, I want to discuss something different and unique. I know a person who is having 1.9 billion followers around the world without owning a single social media account. And you know who is that person? Yes. He is the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And I just gave this example to tell about the purpose of life. I believe that the purpose of life should be of this kind, that the Prophet left this world more than 1400 years ago, but his active followers and his mission is still alive. So we all must think about it. We must give a thought to it, that what kind of purpose should we have, that even if we leave this world, our purpose still lives beyond the span of time of our life. So this was the purpose of my speech. I just wanted to share your thought and bring your attention toward this fact that we need to have a meaningful purpose of our lives. Thank you.